Hi friends, before watching this video, please like my video and subscribe it and press the bell icon button. Now today we are learning about similar triangles. Before that session, we have learned difference between congruent triangles and similar triangles. Means we see when we can say the two triangles are congruent and two triangles are similar to each other. Now, before learning similar triangles in similarity chapter number 1, we have to discuss about correspondence between vertices between two triangles. Correspondence between vertices of two triangles. Now, triangle ABC and triangle PQ are suppose given. Then, how to write correspondence between two triangles? Now triangle means 3 sides and 3 angles, means 6 components. ABC are the vertices, PQ are also vertices of these two triangles. Now vertices of triangle ABC and vertices of triangle PQ are, how to write correspondence between them, each and every vertices. We can write this correspondence between vertices in 6 ways. Out of that, we have to use one only correspondence at a time for two figures. Now, how to write C? Triangle ABC means the name of the triangle, anticlockwise I have taken ABC. Then here also take anticlockwise PQR. Between that, write this sign. This is the sign of correspondence. It is in standard 8 of state government. Meaning of this is corresponds to means ABC corresponds to PQR. We can write like this also. A corresponds to P, B corresponds to Q and C corresponds to R. Means separate correspondence, means one-to-one correspondence between vertices of two triangles. We can write directly ABC corresponds to PQR. Now before that we have habit of that like this written. Now ABC corresponds to PQR. This is what? First correspondence. Now second, ABC corresponds to PR2. Second is ABC corresponds to PR2. How I have written? See, 3 alphabets are there. That I am keeping all alphabets of first triangle as it is. First triangle keep as it is. Now, second triangle, 3 alphabets are there. Each alphabet give 2 chances. 2 P, 2 times Q, 2 times R. Means you can get immediately how to write, how to express in 6 ways. First of all, I have written PQR. Now, last alphabets you have to change because we have already taken. Last alphabet we have to interchange, means QR becomes RQ. So, PQR becomes PR. Now, Q take. After taking Q, remaining alphabets are PR. While interchanging, it will become RQ. Now last alphabet R take 2 times, remaining alphabets are Q. After interchanging it will become QP. Means like this, in 6 ways we can write the correspondence between vertices of two triangles. Out of that, one we have to take. Now try to understand this writing. So this is about correspondence between vertices of triangles in 6 ways. Out of that, anyone we can take and to explain when two triangles are similar or not. Now this is about correspondence between vertices of two triangles. Now when two triangles are similar, triangle has 3 sides and 3 angles. So two triangles given, then 3 sides of one triangle and 3 sides of another triangle must be in proportion. 3 angles of one triangle and 3 angles of another triangle must be congruent. Means corresponding pairs of sides of two triangles must be in proportion and corresponding pairs of angles of two triangles are congruent. Then we can say two triangles are similar to each other. Means three sides and three angles, six totally conditions, means six conditions satisfied. Then we can say these two triangles are similar to each other. Now, how to explain this? In triangle ABC and triangle PQR, ABC corresponds to PQR for this correspondence. Angle A congruent to angle P. Similar sign indicates congruent part. Angle B congruent to angle P and angle C congruent to angle R. Call this equation number 1. This corresponding angles also congruent of two triangles. And now sides are in proportion. AB upon PQ is equal to BC upon QR is equal to AC upon PR. In figure I have shown. If you don't want figure, then according to correspondence also we can write. First alphabet, first alphabet is AB. Here also first take PQ. AB upon PQ. See here. Now last alphabet BC upon QR. And first and last AC upon PR. These three corresponding sides are in proportion. Means all sides are in same proportion. Call this equation number 2. Therefore, from 1 and 2, what we can say? 3 conditions satisfied here, 3 conditions satisfied here. So, totally 6 conditions satisfied. Then we can show from 1 and 2. Triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. This is about similar triangles. Now, try to understand similar triangles means what? 6 conditions must be satisfied. Means in triangle ABC and triangle PQR, ABC corresponds to PQR. For this correspondence, 3 pairs of corresponding angles are congruent and 3 pairs of corresponding sides are in proportion. Means what? If we take the ratio AB upon PQ, BC upon QR and AC upon PR, all values must be same. Then we can say that the sides are in the same proportion. That time we can say that after 6 conditions satisfied, then we can say the two triangles are similar to each other. Now, it is not necessary to write all 6 conditions. For our convenience, we are taking test. Test means what? Only 3 necessary and sufficient conditions we can show. Then we can show the two triangles are similar to each other. 3 conditions sufficient is what? At a time, 3 sides of 3 sides of one triangle and 3 sides of another triangle take. And if that corresponding pairs of sides are in proportion, then we can show the two triangles are similar. So that test is called SSS test. Another test is SAS test. If two sides is included angle of one triangle and another triangle also we have considered and 2 sides are included angle take. If corresponding sides are in proportion and angle included them are congruent, then we can say the two triangles are similar by SAS test. Now third is AAA test and last is AA test. These are the 4 cases of similarity between two triangles. In AA test, what? All pairs of corresponding angles must be congruent, then we can show two triangles are similar. And in AA test, only 2 pairs of corresponding angles must be congruent, then also we can show two triangles are similar by AA test. Like this 4 tests of similar triangles. And remaining parts we can show automatically congruent or proportional. That we will see in the next session. Thank you. Keep watching. Keep learning.